Hello and welcome to a SoulLink spawner tutorial video for setting up integration with Mirror multiplayer. First thing you want to do is make sure you have your project all set up with the latest SoulLink spawner 1.4.0. And then what we want to do is install Mirror. So we're going to go to Windows Package Manager, and I've already selected it from my assets. Mirror. This is a free download. If you don't already have it, you can get it from the store. And we'll go ahead and import this, and I'll come back when it's imported. Before I do that, this does have package dependencies, it'll say, so you go ahead and say install upgrade and then import. Alright, it's imported, so I'm going to close this. So I'm going to go into SoulLink folder, integrations, spawner, and then there's a mirror folder. And there's a package here, mirror testing v2 for version 2. Go ahead and double click that and import. Alright, so that puts a mirror testing folder out here. We do not have to do any type of integration, turning on integration or whatnot, because it knows automatically that it's installed, so the scripts that are extra for Mirror will be compiled. So we go to the scenes folder and open this pure mirror spawning Unity scene. Right. And in Network Manager, just want to double check. It should be all set up already, including this Net FPS player prefab. This is just the temporary player prefab that's for this demo. You'll of course replace this with your own player prefab. Alright, so we run this. There's several options up here. We're going to do host, which is server and client, so it'll not only host, but it will allow us to be a player and walk around in the world. It's just a simple player, FPS player, which you use the keyboard only. You can see the spawns are coming in. So this all looks good so far. So we're going to shut this down. Now in order to test it fully with client and server, need to go to build settings, and we're going to add this scene to the build, which it's already there at the moment. I must have put it there already when I was testing. I'll make sure you have it there. Then go ahead and build. I've set my build settings so that it's going to build a smaller window for the executable, so it'll be easy to see the two working together. And pause this while it builds. Alright, we have the build. It's just the name of the project with exe extension. I'll go ahead and run that by double clicking it. Alright, I'm going to leave this for now and come back and close the build and run this one in the project. And I'm going to make it a host server client again. Move over here a little bit, turn around. Alright, I'm going to go into now the client, and we're just going to click client here, and since we're just on the same machine, localhost and 7777 is default is fine. Alright, and there I am. As you can see, I can see the other player straight ahead right here. And over on the server, you can see as he approaches. The other thing to note, I'm going to move this aside, is when you're running the SoulLink spawner, it'll actually show a biome spawner for each player that's running, and you can see the total spawns, and if there were different kinds of spawns, like this just shows the Wander AI, there's 56. If there were different kinds, it would show you the quantity of each one. And as the players get more and more separated, those numbers will change as they are more independent then. And the other thing to note is this game time sync script, which currently is just a simple test script that synchronizes with the built-in time system that you get with the demo code, this SoulLink game time. You would definitely want to use a sky and time system that has some type of networking. Like I know Enviro has a mirror networking option, and they may have other systems may have others. But if you do have a time system that doesn't have a networking that supports mirror, then you can always use this game time sync as an example to do the synchronization, or you can always run the SoulLink game time in addition to your time system, and then just make sure you update the other time system to whatever the current time is here. But that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching.